Welcome back to Morley's Market Update. I'm Peter Morley, and today we're taking a look at the Q4 2025 Exuma real estate market. This quarter had some big jumps in listings and pricing, but the sales activity tells a very different story. So let's get into it. If you want to view the full report, you'll find it linked below. Exuma homes in Q4 had one major theme: more listings but quieter demand. New listings increased sharply, up 90% year over year, and up massively compared to Q3, meaning a lot more sellers entered the market by the end of the year. But on the buyer side, activity slowed down. Contracted sales were flat year over year, but were down significantly compared to Q3. And completed sales were also flat year over year and lower quarter over quarter, which confirms that closings tapered off. Pricing, however, stayed elevated. The average sales price climbed to roughly $2.2 million, up about 29% year over year and up strongly from last quarter. The median sales price came in around $1.03 million, up from Q3 but down compared to last year, which points to a market where high-end deals can still push up averages, even if the middle isn't moving as much. Despite slower demand, homes actually sold faster. Median days on the market dropped to 169 days, down both year over year and quarter over quarter, which tells us the listings that are priced right are still moving. But the list-to-sale price ratio fell to 85.2%. Meaning buyers have more negotiating power right now. Now, shifting to Exuma land, this market remains quite tough. New listings rose slightly from last year but had a sharper increase from last quarter, so inventory is still building. But on the demand side, contracted sales were down 50% year over year, and also down from Q3. Completed sales, however, did increase year over year, but overall land momentum remained slower. Prices also dropped. The average land sales price came in around $100,000 to $2,000, down both year over year and quarter over quarter. And the median land sales price fell to just $28,000, which is a big decline and shows deals are closing in lower price ranges. Land is also taking longer to sell compared to last year. Median days on the market hit 190 days, and while that is still quite long, it is in line with what we have seen in Q2 and Q3. Lastly, the list-to-sale price ratio dropped to 85.2%, meaning negotiation continues to be a big factor. Before we wrap up, if you enjoyed this breakdown and want to keep up with what's happening across the Bahamas real estate market, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you never miss an update. And as always, comment below if there's something you want us to cover next. So, to sum it up, Exuma Homes saw a big rise in listings and strong pricing, but demand cooled and sellers are giving more room in negotiations. On the land side, it remains a bit slower, with lower pricing and longer time on the market. Thanks for tuning into Morley's Market Update. I'll see you in the next one.